Hi everyone, this is Lisette and welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to do a quick flip through of this pocket-sized traveler's notebook that I just created. Inside has a pocket adhesive and it has a couple of cards. One says dream big, the other one says choose happy, and that other piece of paper was I just rounded the corners and I created a heart with a punch. And next is the shaker dashboard. Now the insert, I did not cover up this insert because I really love the eyes. I thought it was so cute, especially behind the shaker dashboard. Here is the other half of the dashboard. Here is a page divider, marker. I did put a pocket behind it with a couple of stickers, another piece of paper, and of course it comes with the pen. Here is the second insert. There is a paper clip and a magnetic page holder. Now this cover is removable and also reversible. It's a two-sided page cover. Now the third insert, I included a cloud paper clip that I made myself and a ribbon paper clip as well. Now here is the folder. It's a 2-pocket folder. It's at the very end, and I included a few goodies, some more cards, and on the other side a whole bunch of stickers. These stickers are perfect for planning, and of course a sample washi card. And that is my complete flip through. I hope you enjoyed this. This is available for sale in my Etsy shop, so if you want to grab it and you see it listed, it's yours. If not, I hope I inspire you to create your own. If you want to see how I created this traveler's notebook made from a Dollar Tree binder, check the link below. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and also visit my Etsy shop. I also ask for you to please give it a big like or comment below and tell me what you think. It's viewers like you that keep me going. Well, have a great day and God bless. Until next time, bye.